This hair system is amazing. It's silky, it's beautiful. It dries into whatever style I want. Regardless of the cause of the hair loss, whether it be temporary.
I want to help cancer
going
patients.
through
I want to
chemo,
help
going
thin-haired
through
people.
chemo,
That's all I want to do.
trichotillomania, alopecia, whether it be temporary or permanent.
Absolutely.
It's all
We're there
about
for them.
everyone getting the confidence to be their best. And you know, I say this often, it's about having one less thing to worry about.
Yes, I would agree.
Right?
Absolutely.
If you don't have to worry and stress about your hair, then you can go on and live your life. There's plenty of things to worry about. We shouldn't have to worry about our hair. I never in my life would have thought people would stop me and tell me how great my hair looks. I mean, I was never that girl that ever dreamed to get a compliment on my hair. And now it's a daily thing.